Everything for me now will be a aquaba strong go edit back to my GHS. So I bear aso and summer would rather to draw my union. They bet to draw aso namus when you be at it. Now, currently, no share Ghana, my man, Mobako, Biadna, no, Tuma, walk on SM, about your social media influencer, actress, Moesha Budong, and the Sakrayamus and Seminators and Anka. Wo question wa confire man for me so munche na ne ya bia wo de TV do no wo de preach na ho na te sa ba nsem pepe man for chomadwen afọ ne buso for awon wasema e wo Moesha situation ya wo komunya ene se ebi afemu enya aduma chede bia ye di ya chede ate se Moesha wuntin wo manya yi chire bia wo mo de chire Moesha ntima ebra wo no amu kwapo a wo fa na man mu kwapo no wo mie na no enka sa ensem no bi enchire wo mo sa akwan so na ho asem na meken eye abayu na formally no wo ye adonko bites wo mo face and I say wo mo brand ambassador me chire edusa for na sente wo no so age social media so just waje aboso a to go bi e ba so bi na so wo mu bi na ebusu for abayu yi all of a sudden Moesha won sema manada na odifo a ne wo no church Moesha nsem mu say Moesha so fast spiritual attack na Nigerian business tycoon bia woni ni edi ehia na de se nipa no ede ne nkwa sesa owu enede enam so ma Moesha sakra ya yehu ne se na oyehu ne na tese bisofo wa hye koma be si se Moesha issue no ebeye west atese ba kodum pepenso bia se ya hwe ni ya wa hwanyama be basa ejema abayo no na nso nniamu no se ne nkwa pa de enhre no bekoso a ekura ne nkwamu na ebudu safo asema wakeka na kwa osifa kanu ni tese se ne wo kase wonyedi ewo Moesha Budong nsem no na ye won pebra amafo kase abawe yi ojene ho mena wo be musen na ne niam no ye bakotie no na ye ba ensem abawechi no ye no so me de bata won ade asomo me kam so me ko bi boy chidom so ya se ma ye de adwumete ebremo ye wo chat ye herbal center ya bre bi e wo so na me se ye fa aban ha ense ya rewa enti wo so adma chede na bo so a wo de ense ya re enti se na tie bia bo mo de na fan numbers na echegu awase wo na from no ntimi emmo wo ya remu na ana sempo no po mechi akwan se wo Ghana ha that's my Accra any biom so tamale no I want the region it was from this for your radio station and there's one more friend now within the DSM to the kaka and zema wonunya wo ni so efa Moesha nsem ne for yam drip by one was say wonu this for no and as I say me efri na but ni niam no ensem wo do aba wo chirenti enkotie no emra
Safowaa da se wi bibi abakọ de
ta do ma oboni bi enyo.
Right, so nya yakenkan chire mu se o si Moesha Budong nya wona musisi ayi wakeka nsem bebre we hu nyame ne ka ho no o si eye deben pa nti na ma wo yesi no
be passion me that say ena me share piece of entertainment review it's here for you na the whole issue they say I saw the story online people sent it to me on WhatsApp. So I started following the story. They said it will be a you know. And she said they're now all kind of, it is fake, blah, blah, blah. And the family didn't come up and question and catch and said, no, it is not fake. That she had a spiritual attack and taken the life. So that is why a man or like genuinely who answer any jig Yankopo Mutu, say, rather the other and I did na it is not fake or and somebody like me, I'm not going to accept for her to trend because what is trending for Moesha? She's all over the place already. Internationally, it is not about trending, but on your spiritual attack. It's me no. Saturday, but when I realized this, her video yesterday, and I decided to tell people that this is the reality, not because Moesha can be biacha, because of the answer. Whether you share that main kai, and I encasa that we don't have any WhatsApp or Instagram contact or anything. But the issue necessarily won't pay how much we are. May I say that like I'll have a dream about it, no they make kasa. And it's something consistently, but now me won't say I mean call can be picture and but me near to me won't say video na me on Instagram and they say we all should not judge ourselves now. The attack she's having right now, they say somebody connected her to a big man, a business tycoon, or Onyagani. And true sad the panel, not the panel, then as a son, a car, and move back Yankopon and a Tucci, no, that's what she say. So that's why I wrote that thing on my Instagram page.
I see. Enti when you say bia wow, I think bibia woti muna what they are to do.
No bibia me too me. Let me give you a very good example again. If you know me very well, I work for God shortly or someday. When was our lady with Christabel Eke? Come and attack the Beshat, you know. I told a lot of people you can go to one Nigerian Emeka Upad or Somoni Church. I told all of them that this is what is going to happen, this is what is going to happen. But because none almost immediately you know, menya any access and it happened. It's menya kofana say Mati Bibi will remove a makana because of a feeling or because of somebody what somebody is telling me. But this is what I see.
Obi baby say see at where
oh, that be a way I can say, Uncle Aquis, she told him to be a say, yeah, you be to why you would and a new run, so a lot of people have good relationship with that boss. If you are be or on funk of fancy access of who is the Dini and I be made the fact anybody which made their phone so quite the SEO said the ABC 81 among that is it.
Ebushafo edusafo ade kotie ne ne ebaya manfo dodo na hu ni se dabi abawe do ye enchekwa mu kra mpo no wonye Moesha budon ebusueni wonu emu kra ne num to wonye na danfo nhida mban ne sa etiade no de no hu ajeje ne hu nsem atese sabre ya Moesha nsem da bonti so bia ehwe concern ede amabawe wo kekaka ensem egum ese ensem atese obese won fanfa edie line wa munzu aka dada se wunye Holy Ghost wunye okronkron senti eden na sabre yo abawe nsem na wuja ediye aduma wode eka ni ensem ani niemu no yenim se Moesha ne nanfofo bia ono mo bempa na nse krampo no mkodi ehia ewo ye Tracy Boache ebe de ase Afia Schwar eka hu bi nti Afia Schwar so abekasa ede afa Moesha bundo ye ne nsem ane abeto dwano na according to Afia Schwar no enye bema bi aniwa waye Moesha bibi edigana for ye nya se yetieti amanfo mo de wo pe cloud chasing to ma fafa nsem no mo de chasing cloud efa Moesha ensem abeto dan na emom na ye Ghana for ya priya na tese abayo edi betu dwase wasata no ye mocking the sere na menne atimi affect the mental health it is Moesha ko bibi mu a Ghana for ye fa so bone emoye wo ene sabre ni ba ko pe bia cha kwan ye hwe se wa na ye bibi wa na nye bibi ye etina se Afia Schwar so ensem o ka eno no ye ko tie no emresisia
hypocrites and parasites. Namisi and Kasam Ghanaians are very stupid. Now you want to blame me because I'm not posting Moesha. When Moesha said she has repented, all of you were mocking her. You were circulating lies. You were trolling her. Did you give 1 minute to her mental health? Did you for 1 second think, say, do you think Obian what didn't say Afia Schwar after trolling her and breaking her down? You people have made Moesha suicidal more. Grown stupid people and never posting the picture. I'm praying for you. People are circulating lies. There is no man involved. The person involved your mom. You people attacked her mental health because Moesha Sakra and no JJ, no
ha ebusiofo Moesha nsem no se ade edure chepa emu bani niemu no ye hye se wono amu no de ekoso ne aye de kra wetibi e wona sem so no abe master up courage no so abe kasa ede fa nampo krampo ne busueni bi ne dofo bi obe no etimi aba bonti na se wabe come the state wa abonti na manfo adwumu aye mo kesna efa situation wo e wo mu se nipa de se na ndra no me de etudwa no ade ba ko da nipa ho a entimi sada anything is nipa change is the only constant thing what nipa ya sitting emuti ade nipa esata and this will be bad but this was such that any strange and then be out of the ordinary and the man of the benefit of the doubt near man express the new life our finding no near man into me and looking up to the better future on no training say obenya now all this rumors names some keka no emwa emma enyama nipa no kwa hwe ni to benya wana babu kan etime pinti sabrede ekra so me beka Moesha nsem no ewo na me di esi no so agye nche efa ho enesen omodi an efa so me ewo comment section e bia muso no share video way on all their social media platforms. Follow Too Much GH for Instagram, Twitter so at Too Much GH _ Facebook Too Much GH. Most of name did me de Abramu Nana Muguswa and me di nyame ya aduma ibedi share. Makramunia bye bye.